Here's how to check if your SD card is real capacity or fake. So let me show you the first picture. As you can see, on the left side is the genuine SD card because there's a frame all around, while on the right side has a bad finish. On the genuine side, you can see that there is a no groove option, but on the fake side, there is a with groove. As you can see, SD cards are made in China and not made in Taiwan. Next is, you can see there the counterfeit and genuine. For the counterfeit, 1TB SanDisk Extreme Pro, as you can see, the gold buttons are too light, while the good side or the gold side here is too dark. Next is, as you can see on the genuine, it is more red, while on the counterfeit, it is very big and it is light red. So that is how you check which is the real or counterfeit or fake.